Hello, today I'm going to show you my analytics for my YouTube shop after uploaded 30 days. So let's go and take a look at the analytics. Okay, here is the analytics. Okay, I have total 70 subscribers, and in the last 28 days I had 23.4 views and watch hour is 142. Okay, this is my last video performance 17 hours ago, only 34 views. Here's the analytic overview. So 23.4 thousand in the past 28 days. So if you look at 90 days, so I started on the 10th of February. Okay, and then today is 15th of March, so around slightly more than 1 month. Okay, let's take a look at the content. I started on the 10th of February. Okay, this is the first video. Has 770 views, and then second, third, fourth, fifth, I have very little view. So on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, I got 1,003 and 2,000 view. After that 8 to 9, after that I got 3 view again. Then 2001, 7 view, 1007, 800, 800, 1003, 1002, 300, 2008. This one is high, one of the highest. 1049, 1005, 200, 13 only this one. Then 249, 117, 759, 645, 1002, and this one only have 10 view. Okay, then 471, 888. Okay, this one is a 30 video, then 31, 32, 33 video. So I uploaded 33 video. So far the result is over the past 1 month only 20 over 1,000 view. So in order to get monetized, I need 10 million view in 90 days. So it may take some time. So what is your thought? Let me know. Thank you.